I want to talk to you guys about appearance, okay? Because most of you dress like shit. I don't know what your financial situation is, and I don't want to know. But you got to get yourself at least one decent suit. Because we have a kind of a minimum level of aesthetic professionalism here that we have to maintain. In 3 months you can outfit your whole closet, but for now, just get yourself something to hold you over. There's an important phrase we use here. I think it's time you all learned it. Act as if. You understand what that means? Act as if you are the fucking president of this firm. Act as if you got a 9-inch cock. Okay? Act as if. And to do that properly, you need to at least look the part. So go get dressed. Secondly, it's time to get your Series 7 books. Now don't get nervous. You study, you'll pass. Then you begin trading as an SEC licensed broker. And then you're a fucking millionaire. It's just that simple. I'll need $300 from each of you for your books, which will be returned if and when you pass the exam. And I'll need that tomorrow. That is all. Don't forget, dress the part.